In today's video, we will be deploying Dial from Google Cloud Marketplace. As long as your GCP account has permissions to enable the Service Usage API, the APIs required for Marketplace deployment, and can either create or access an existing service account with some basic roles, deploying Dial should be pretty straightforward. We'll do this in a new project within an organization for demonstration purposes. We'll start by creating a new project and finding the EPAM AI Dial listing on the Marketplace. We click through the steps, agreeing to all the terms, and enable the APIs required by Google for new Marketplace deployments. Next, we specify the names of the new service accounts we would like to create for this Dial deployment. If you already have an existing service account with these roles within the project, feel free to select it instead. We select the machine we want, confirm that we have enabled the Service Usage API from the link below, and confirm the boot disk. These defaults should work for standard test usage of AI Dial. Next, we select the required networking rules. In our case, we'll just use a default network interface and keep default blank firewall settings to make our Dial instance accessible from anywhere. We'll click Deploy and wait a few minutes for the Terraform scripts to properly create all the required accounts and components. After a few minutes, you should see a successfully launched virtual machine here. From our deployment, we can switch over to the Details tab and find the IP address of this Dial instance. Within a few minutes, you should see a landing page at this IP, and shortly thereafter, it'll bring you to the sign-in page. You can find the credentials in the previously mentioned Details page. You shouldn't need to, but if you'd like to access the config files in Dial README, feel free to SSH into this virtual machine. Please use the credentials to sign into Dial and explore all the available models and features. Thank you.